No sign of Pokemon at the con? Someone in chat's been asking about her a lot. Is it you? Well, I haven't seen her, but I mean, why wouldn't she be here? I think so. Alright, we got the ping pong tables. Whoa. Close one. We got a massive foosball. More ping pong. Hold on, I have to challenge girlfriend. I have to beat girlfriend. Come with me. Like that? Oh my God. I'm letting her win. Dude, I've never done this bad before. I promise. The light is totally messing. The light is totally messing me up. Why would you hit that poor kid? What are you doing?
Good evening, TwitchCon! Please note that TwitchCon will close in 10 minutes. Please make your way to the exits and we will see you tomorrow!
Alright, I'm gonna run around some more. You definitely won. It's the light, it's so hard. Can you throw that at the booth? Thank you. Force in here? I don't know. I think they have like a thingy on the website. Oops, oh shit. Yeah. Where you can look up everyone who's come. Or at least everyone who's registered. Oh, this is kind of cool what they're doing here, right? So this is like a Bob Ross booth. And you can paint along with an instructor. Damn, that looks really good too. Man, I wish I could paint like this. Maybe I should actually try to follow along to Bob Ross sometime. I've never had any artistic skills, but I heard he makes it really easy. Oh yeah, we got this thing here. That's famous streamer Amaranth. Check it out. It's pretty cool. See. Probably my favorite booth, or at least my favorite one at PAX, Capcom, where they have a Monster Hunter Wilds demo and you can take a picture on the new mount. Oh yeah, they also have Street Fighter 6 setups. Are they giving out free Rockstar over here? I don't know. You draw a star. Free drinks? Oh, killer.
We've got mixed berry, watermelon, kiwi.
I'll take watermelon. Thanks a lot, guys. Hell yeah. So this is kind of cool. They have like the people who are in the Capcom Creators program thingy, like King of APOC. They get to play. They're on their stream right now, and they're playing Monster Hunter Wild.
And I'm not a product manager, so I can't
Isn't that
answer
cool?
your technical questions because I manage all the
So King of APOC, you know, he reserved a space on Sunday. So Petra is gonna go, and you get to bring a +1. So him and Petra are gonna stream together.